Therefore, from today, besides other videos, I will also upload Indian polity and constitution related GK video for competitive or government service exams. And this is my first video on Indian polity and constitution. Then without wasting your time, let's start. Question number 1. Who is known by the father of Indian constitution? It's very important. Right answer option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Full name Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. It also comes in exams that what is the full name of B.R. Ambedkar? Then the answer will be Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He is also known to us as Babasaheb Ambedkar. Friends, remember it, he is the architect of the Indian Constitution. Architect means builder, maker, author of the Indian Constitution. That's why he is called by the father of Indian Constitution. Is it cleared? Next question. Question number 2. When did the Constitution of India come into force? Right answer option D, 26 January 1950. And the Constitution of India was accepted on 26 November in 1949. Question number 3. Who designed the Indian national flag? Right answer option C, Pingali Venkaiah. Pingali Venkaiah designed the Indian national flag in the year 1916. Question number 4. The ratio of width and length of Indian national flag is 2:3. Friends, carefully remember, if the question comes like that, what is the ratio of length and width of Indian national flag, then the answer will be 3:2. Is it cleared? Let's go to the next question. Question number 5. It's very important. Panchayati Raj system first started in which Indian state? Right answer option C, Rajasthan. On 2nd October in 1959, Panchayati Raj system first started in Rajasthan. And Andhra Pradesh was the second state where this system was started after Rajasthan. Question number 6. How many levels of Panchayati Raj system has? Right answer option B, 3 levels. And these levels are Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti, and 3 Jilla Parishad. Got it? Next question. Question number 7. What is the age of retirement of a judge of Supreme Court? It is very important. I think you should know the right answer of this question. Right answer will be option D, 65 years. Yes friends, 65 years is the retirement age of Chief Justice of India. Question number 8. When was first general election held in India? Right answer of this question is option C, 1951. Yes friends, first Lok Sabha general election started in India from 1951 to 1952. Question number 9. Which amendment reduced the voting age from 21st years to 18 years? It's very important question friends. The right answer will be option B, 61st amendment. The voting age was reduced from 21st to 18 years by the 61st Constitutional Amendment Act of 1988, and this bill was published or passed in the year 1989. Is that cleared? Next question. Question number 10. What is the minimum age limit to become the President of India? The right answer of this question is option C, 35 years. Yes friends, 35 years is the minimum age limit to become the President of India. 25 is the minimum age limit to become the Prime Minister of India. Got it? Next question. Question number 11. What is the minimum age for election or appointment as member of the Lok Sabha? Right answer option A, 25 years. And 30 years is the minimum age for election or appointment as the member of Rajya Sabha. Question number 12. In India, the concept of single citizenship is adopted from which country? It's very important question. Right answer will be option B, England or United Kingdom. Who is the Supreme Commander of Indian Armed Forces, or who is the Supreme Commander of Indian Defence? Right answer of this question is option A, the President. Yes friends, the President of India is the Supreme Commander of Indian Armed Forces. Question number 14. Who gives oath to the President of India? Right answer option D, Chief Justice of India. And on the other hand, Chief Justice of India takes oath by the President of India. Is it cleared? Next question. Question number 15. How many fundamental rights are there in Indian Constitution? Right answer option B, 6. And these 6 fundamental rights are: 1. Right to equality, 2. Right to freedom, 3. Right against exploitation, 4. Right to freedom of religion, 5. Cultural and educational rights, 6. Right to constitutional remedies. Question number 16. The concept of fundamental right in the Indian Constitution is derived from the Constitution of which country? It's very important. The right answer of this question is option A, USA or United States of America. Next question. Question number 17. The concept of fundamental duties has been taken from the Constitution of. Right answer will be option C, Russia. Former name of Russia is USSR. Remember it. Next question. Question number 18. Fundamental duties were introduced in the Constitution by the. Right answer option B, 42nd Amendment Act. Yes friends, fundamental duties were introduced in the Constitution of India by the 42nd Amendment Act in 1976. And we have total 11 fundamental duties in Indian Constitution. If I discuss these 11 fundamental duties, the video will be much longer. Then without wasting your time, let's go to the next question. Question number 19. The President of India can be removed from his post by the Parliament of India. Yes friends, the Parliament of India, consisting of both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, can remove the President of India before the expiry of the term through impeachment for violating the Constitution of India. It also comes in exam that by which procedure the President of India may be removed before the expiry of the term. Then the answer will be impeachment. You should remember it. Last and final question, question number 20. Which article is related with abolition of untouchability? Right answer option A, Article 17. I hope I did not disappoint you. You like the video, so please hit the like button and share it in social media. And if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get all latest new videos from my channel. Thank you friends for being with me and watching this.